Hello. Okay, so dear students, so we are going to see the numerical example based on force and laws of motion. So in this topic, we have three different formulas. The first is about to find out the force. So for that I have mentioned here, the formula for that force is F is equal to ma. Second is about the momentum, that is denoted by P is equal to m into V. And the third one is conservation of law of momentum. The formula is m1 v1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. So right now in this video we are going to discuss with this first formula, F is equal to ma. So let's see the first example here. First simple example. The first example here given, calculate the force required to produce an acceleration of 0.2 meter per second square in a body of mass 10 kg. So usually we have to see the given quantity, what they have given quantity and acceleration. So A is given 0.2 meter per second square and mass is also given 10 kg. Okay, and we have to find out the force. So after the mention the given quantity, we need to check whether all the variable in a same unit. Yes, it is in meter per second square, it is in kg, that is both are in MKS unit, that is SI unit. So no need to conversion. So directly here I am going to use the formula F is equal to ma, m is equal to 10, acceleration is 0.2. So 0.2 that we can write in the manner of like 10 upon 10. 2 upon 10, sorry. So this 10 we can see. So F is equal to 2. What is the unit of that force? Force unit is Newton. So this was the answer of the first question. Getting? Okay. Now see the second question. A certain force acts on a body at rest if after 10 seconds the body moves velocity of 20 meter per second and its mass is 3 kg. Find the magnitude of force acting on the body. Again, just simply here we need to find the magnitude of force. It means nothing but the simply force. So first thing we need to see the given quantity. The given quantity is given on a body at rest. Here rest come means that is initial velocity is as a 0. So again take the first topic is about the motion. The force and motion are related to each other because without the force the object does not get in motion. So what are the terms comes of the motion, all comes we can use here also. After the 10 seconds, so t in time has given 10 seconds and the body moves with velocity 20 meter per second, means final velocity is 20 meter per second. Earlier initial velocity as a rest, so we mentioned as u is equal to 0. Mass has a given 3 kg and they need to find out the formula. Okay, force. Again check out all the variables having same unit. So our formula is what? F is equal to ma. So mass has a given, but what about the A? A is not given. But for that A acceleration they have given other terms, that is u, v and t also, and we know the formula for acceleration. A is equal to v minus u upon t. So 20 minus 0 upon time has given 10, so A becomes 2 meter per second square. So now we got here A, mass is already has given, so m into A, mass is 3, acceleration is a 2, 6 Newton. So we got here the next, F is equal to 6 Newton. Getting? Now see the next problem. Again this problem is from your textbook exercise. See that I am going to take purposefully that example. Again a truck start from rest. Similar to that, a truck start from rest. Okay, so rest given quantity u is equal to 0 and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. म्हणजे काय दिले simply, suppose असा हा ट्रक आहे, simply it moves, rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. A as a uniform, but that does not mention its value, but constant acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter. म्हणजे तो ट्रक 400 मीटर पुढे आलेला आहे in 20 सेकंड. Time has given 20 सेकंड distance cover 400 meter. Find its acceleration. First thing we need to find its acceleration and find the force acting on it. Force पण calculate करायचा आहे. If its mass is given 7 metric ton, mass as a given of that truck is 7 ton. 7 ton in the bracket they have given 1 ton means 1000 kg. So 7 tons in this is 7000 kg. So that conversion we did, metric ton to kg. So here the two quantities we need to find out. First is acceleration, second is a force. Okay, so for formula F is equal to ma. M has a given. For finding that A, how to find out the value of this A? So here in previous example they have given velocity, final velocity, because calculating V minus U upon T. Here you know that T is also given, but we don't know about the V, so we cannot use this formula for here. The second thing is what they have given, distance. Yes, okay, so I can use our second equation here, that is S is equal to ut plus half at square. See that we are doing the numerical example on force and laws of motion, but still we need to use some formula from the equation of motion, because here I am going to use the second equation of motion. Okay, so S has given 400, initial velocity 0, so 0 plus, we need to find out first of all A is not given, time is given 20 square, so it becomes this 400, this 0, 1 half into A, 20 square 400. Okay, so it becomes 200, so this 200 A is equal to 400, therefore A is equal to 400 upon 200, so it becomes 2 meter per second square. So we got the first acceleration here. Now put this value A in this above formula. F is equal to ma. Mass has a given 7000 and acceleration we got 2, that is 14,000 Newton. So we got the second answer of this question. Getting? Okay. Now see the one more example regarding with that force. Simply, a stone of 1 kg thrown with velocity of 20 meter per second across the frozen surface of lake. See that this example is what, पाण्यामध्ये एक दगड 1 kg मास असलेला दगड आपण 20 मीटर पर सेकंडच्या स्पीडने टाकलाय फ्रोझन सरफेस पाण्याचे. आपण जसं समटाइम वी जस्ट थ्रो अ स्टोन ऑन दॅट लेक, तो आपण पाण्यात दगड मारतो आणि तो असं काही वेळा टप्पा काढून परत पुढे जातो, सम वॉट दॅट. ठीक आहे, मग तो दगड तुम्ही मारला, तो उडी मारून पुढे काही वेळाने जाऊन तो रेस्टमध्ये आला. ठीक आहे, पण त्यासाठी त्याने किती डिस्टन्स घेतलं, 50 मीटर. We need to find what is the force of friction between stone and ice. अभी the force of friction means just simply a force. It's not like a ते वेगळं फ्रिक्शनचा फोर्स वगैरे काही नाही आहे. So what the quantity has given, stone of 1 kg, mass has given 1 kg, thrown, initial velocity becomes 20 meter per second, and its final velocity becomes 0. For that it covers the distance 50 meter. We need to find out this force. See, so how we can calculate this one? M has given A has not given in this example. So for calculating that A again, S has given. So if I am using, but T has not, because if I use this S is equal to ut plus half at square, here time is not given. So instead of that, the third equation, v square minus u square is equal to twice s, this equation will be useful more. So for that I am going to use here v, we know that 0, u 20 square, 2 into a need to find, s has given 50. So here's minus 400, it becomes 100A. So therefore A is equal to this, A is equal to minus 4 meter per second square. Here we got the acceleration as a negative. Why we got the acceleration is negative? because the velocity is going to decreases. See that earlier initial velocity was 20, सुरुवातीला आपली 20 होती, परत ती कमी झाली. as we know that निगेटिव्ह ॲक्सेलरेशन कधी येतं, ज्यावेळी वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज होती. म्हणजे आपल्या उत्तर आलेलं आन्सर बरोबर आहे. ॲक्सेलरेशन निगेटिव्ह आलं, इट्स राईट. नाऊ जस्ट पुट फॉर्म्युला. F is equal to ma, mass is given 1, acceleration is -4, so F is equal to -4 Newton. आता ॲक्च्युली फोर्स हे मायनसमध्ये नसतं. फोर्स डझंट ॲज अ निगेटिव्ह, बट दिस मायनस साइन इंडिकेट्स that the direction of force is opposite. Getting? Okay.